the macaroni and cheese with some tuna. Usually I make with cheddar cheese, but I don't have cheddar cheese, so I'm going to use this cheese, garlic and fine herbs. So I was baking turkey earlier, turkey wings. So I decided I'm going to make something different. So we have the pan here, we have this on. Next, when you make this so that it can taste really good, I'm going to, saute some onions with butter. You can also put a little bit of olive oil, but I was cooking turkey earlier, and this is the nice gravy I took out of. So I'm just going to put the oil here. I don't waste it. Put a little bit of oil there. That's that. So if you wanna learn how to do this, just keep on watching. I won't be able to talk to you. I'll continue cooking, so continue watching. That's it. So once the butter is melting, then I'm putting my onions. I have one onion here. I'm doing put some onion. If you have just come on, I am making some pasta. I don't know what to call it because I just thought about it. I'm like, okay, I don't have cheddar cheese today because usually I make the macaroni cheese, but this is still sort of the macaroni cheese. I'm going to be using this kind of cheese here. It has some garlic and fine herbs in it, and also while this is cooking, I'm gonna use the paste. I'm being lazy. Usually I use like fresh tomatoes. So I have a paste here. I put a little bit of milk to kind of make it loose a bit. Right. Love. How is everyone doing out there? Today it's nice here. It snowed 2 days ago, but now it's cool like that. So next thing we're gonna do is to put the sauce. Like I say, I really like using fresh tomatoes, but this is just something I thought about last minute and said I am gonna do this without the cheddar cheese, but it's still gonna be good. So I'm going to put the tuna in it. I'm going to put some tuna in this pasta here. So I hope you are writing down if you are watching this. So this, we are making a sauce for the pasta. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. I use the Himalaya salt. You can use even the white salt, it's good. And always have oregano when you making the pasta. It goes very well with that. Just put lots of it. Put some black pepper, and that's it. That's all you need for the dry spices. Okay, and stir. What's going to go in here is cheese, sour cream, tuna. While this is cooking, I'm going to drain the pasta. So keep on watching. And now I'm going to put this cheese here. Usually I would have like grated cheese, grated cheddar. but this is what I'm gonna use. It will melt. I already showed you what type of cheese I used. I'm using now, and I have another one here. Gonna put it in. Usually I use cheddar cheese, but I don't have it, so hey, I like to create some stuff as I go, so that's what I'm going to do today. So there we go. It should melt, and then I'm going to put a little bit of sour cream. You see, I don't put flour in my pasta. You can put a little bit of flour if you want to make it thick. So in this situation, I was using the paste, tomato paste. It's thick by itself. So I have sour cream here. I'm gonna put a bit of sour cream. By the way, kids love this macaroni cheese by Auntie. So gonna put a little bit of this. I had put it in the fridge and it's kind of frozen part of it, but this is about a cup, 12 ounces. So then I'm going to put the pasta in and then put it in the oven. And I'll show you the turkey legs, turkey wings I just made. Put them in the oven for about an hour and a half. Actually, I made a video about that. So if you want to learn, I'm going to be posting it sometime. But I'm going to show you how it looks like. Let me taste this. Yummy. Oh, you know what? It has to be spicy. So I'm going to put some cayenne pepper in it. Cayenne pepper. I want it nice and spicy, okay? So this is it here. You can see, right? Yeah. You see, it doesn't take that long. It's just that I really don't have the cheese I usually use, but boy, this is actually really good. Because it got some kind of spices in it. Oh, it is really good. Look at this. This is, I don't know how to pronounce this, borism, whatever. With garlic and fine herbs. So, and then I put one with shallot and chive. So look out for that one and make your own. Oh, before I forget, this time I'm putting the tuna. So this is the tuna I'm using. I already drained it. Hey, with this quarantine, I tell you, this thing, all you do is eat. I don't know about you all out there, but some of us who love to cook is like, hey, boy, this is a Saturday, so that's how I came up with this. I'm like, I'm bored, what else should I do? But so I use 2 cans here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I sure like oregano. I don't know, is that how to pronounce it? Oregano? I'm putting a little bit of it. I gotta see it. I gotta be able to see it. Right? So we are almost done. Now we're just gonna put the pasta in. And I'm gonna bake it. Just mix it in. I hope you are writing all this so you can make one and let me know how yours came out. Here, I'm ready to put the pasta. And mix it in and I'm going to bake it. I'm gonna try and look to see if there's no cheese at all that I can put on top of this, you know. So this was easy, right? Yeah, if you want something different. I'm tired of rice, so I'm like, oh, we are not eating rice today. So you see, this is it. Usually I'll, you know, put it in the oven, and then I'm gonna switch off the stove now. And then I'm gonna put it in the pan and bake it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on it, but usually I like cheddar. So there we go. There we go. Just gonna. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. I appreciate you so much for taking your time to watch Gino. And don't forget to go into my YouTube, Gino's Creative Cooking, and please subscribe. Press notification button so that you don't miss out on anything I post. Love you. Bye.